Hi guys, so today we are making a classic comfort food dish that's perfect for a cozy night, shepherd's pie. This hearty and satisfying dish is a staple in many households, and it's easy to see why. We are combining savory ground meat, a medley of vegetables, and a rich gravy all topped up with a layer of fluffy mashed potatoes and baked to golden perfection. Get ready for a warm and comforting meal that the whole family will love. This recipe is perfect for a weeknight dinner or anytime you are craving something truly satisfying. I'll guide you through every step from browning the meat to creating that perfect mashed potato topping. So grab your ground meat and potatoes, get ready to fill your kitchen with the comforting aroma of home cooking. And let's create a delicious shepherd's pie together. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first keep water for boiling. Cover it and allow it to boil. Then add 5 potatoes washed, peeled and cut in medium-sized cubes. And add some salt to taste. Cover it and cook it until the potatoes are nice and soft. So the potatoes are nice and soft now. Make sure it is something like this. Then simply strain the cooked potatoes. Then take the cooked potatoes, add 1 tablespoon butter, half cup grated cheddar cheese, 50 ml milk, 1 egg yolk, add some salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon crushed black pepper, and then simply mash the potatoes until nice and smooth. As you can see that the mashed potato is nice and smooth, make sure it is something like this. Let me show you how smooth the mashed potato is. Then leave it aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan add oil, add 3 garlic cloves chopped, 2 onion chopped, and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 3 carrots cut in small cubes, half cup frozen green peas, and fry it until the carrots are nice and soft. Then add 500 grams lamb mince, add some salt to taste, and then fry it until the lamb mince changes its color. Fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. As you can see that the lamb mince has changed its color. Then add 1/4 teaspoon crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon dried rosemary, and fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Let the rosemary and thyme nicely infuse in the meat. Then add 2 tablespoons plain flour and fry it for a minute. Make sure that the flour is nicely cooked with the meat. Then add 1 cup tomato puree, 1 cup beef stock, and then give it a nice mix. Because we have added flour, it will thicken the mix. Then add some salt to taste and then give it a nice mix. and then cook it until the lamb mince is nice and thick. Then give it a nice mix. As you can see that the lamb mince is nice and thick now. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave it aside to use it later. Then take a baking glass mold and simply add the lamb mince. Make sure to spread it nicely in the corners of the mold. And also gently press it down. Then add the mashed potato on top. And simply spread it nicely until you have a nice smooth surface on top. Then simply use a fork to give a nice design as shown. And bake it in the oven at 200 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes until the top surface gets a nice golden brown color. So the shepherd's pie is ready. As you can see, it has got a nice golden brown color. And there you have it guys, a warm and comforting shepherd's pie. Be sure to let me know in the comments below how your pie turned out. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more classic comfort food recipes. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for shepherd's pie as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. It's a truly classic dish that's perfect for bringing family and friends together. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.